welcome back to my channel. In today's Juicy Girl Talk video, I'm going to be telling you 3 types of friends you should never trust, okay? If you're new to my channel, welcome to the Bella Gang. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, follow your girl on Instagram at Bella_bars. Ladies, before we get to this Juicy Girl Talk on the type of chicks you shouldn't trust, let's get into this hair real quick. Oh my God, I'm so in love with this hair. This wig unit that I'm currently rocking is from Megalookhair. Take a look at this. Look at this hair texture. I'm currently rocking a 26-inch transparent lace, okay, water wave wig unit. This is super long. I wanted something get up and go. I'm just in love. First of all, if you want a realistic looking, natural looking, sexy mommy wig unit, you should always go with the transparent lace. Their transparent lace is amazing. It's giving me a lot of scalp, no shedding, okay? While my stylist was bleaching this hair, she said it was a minimal shedding, probably like 2 or 3 hairs. This hair is really, oh my God, this hair texture is really beautiful. It's extremely soft. I wish you guys can reach out through the screen and touch my hair. Look how nice. Look at this pattern. I never had water wave before, and let me just say I'm in love with it. Also, this hair takes really great to color. I dyed this hair jet black. It's jet black because for the fall, I love dark colors. I love this hair. Look at this. Look at this scalp that is giving. I love this hair so much. If you guys are interested in purchasing, of course, your big sis got you. I will leave all of the hair information in the description box below. This hair is definitely worth getting. This is my first time working with this company, and I was really iffy. Like, I was ready. Like, let me see what type of hair you guys got. You know what I'm saying? Because one thing about me, I do not lie. I don't care if it's for a check. If the hair is bad, I'm going to tell you guys it's bad. This hair is definitely a must-have, okay? It's very affordable, and I love the length. It took, like I said before, it took good to coloring. It's a transparent lace, so it looks very natural. It's 13 by 4. That's the only thing. I wish that the parting space was a 13 by 6, because with 13 by 6, you get like more of a parting. It stops right here, but other than that, I have nothing else, no complaints about this hair. I love it so much. And without further ado, I'm gonna jump into the girl talk, but you guys should definitely get this hair. I'm obsessed. Look at this. I'm obsessed. I love this hair. Let me take my jacket off so you guys can see. Okay, this hair I will rock on vacation. Okay, I love it. I love it so much.